Hello, welcome back to another video on my Spark 143 model unboxings. Today we're talking about the 2010 Oreca Matmut Peugeot 908. "2010 would mark the fourth year in the Audi Peugeot duel. With the Lions winning last year, the battle at the top was fierce. Peugeot entered 3 factory works cars and 1 Oreca Matmut car with Hugh at the helm. That's one more than Audi's 3 R15s and another bullet to potentially defend their title. All 4 Peugeots qualify ahead of the Audis for the start of the race. The cars are much more faster than Audi, but also more fragile. But the Lions were cursed this year, and with only 2 hours into the race, the number 3 Peugeot that was second starts smoking down the Mulsanne straight. The car ends up retiring with engine failure. But Audi isn't spared either. During the night, the number 7 car ends up in the gravel, making it that much harder to catch the leading number 2 Peugeot. As the sun rises, there's more drama for Peugeot. The leading car catches fire in the engine bay. With another blown engine, this car is retired and the pressure is now on the 2 remaining cars in the race. All 3 Audis jump ahead of the Peugeots, but the number 1 car goes on a tirade, giving all it's got to track down the Audis. So much that he punched the Corvette off the track in the blindingly fast Porsche curbs. The Corvette is retired and a huge blow to that team. At midday, the number 1 Peugeot finally gets bitten with a blown engine and is immediately out of the race. All rests on the number 4 Oreca Matmut car, the last Peugeot in the fight against Audi. Loic Duval sets the fastest lap of the race, but there is little hope. With only 2 hours remaining, the engine gave way to smoke and fire. Peugeot was entirely out. And the emotion was all over Hugh face. A complete disaster for the team. The turbo diesel Audis finish 1-2-3 and break the all-time distance record at the time. A 9th victory for Audi and tied with Ferrari. As for Peugeot, they would have to try again next year. And here is the number 4 Oreca Matmut Peugeot 908. It comes in a cool blue box. You got the nice track map on the back. There's the number of the car and the class it's in. The sides are not open. So this is a new box. We haven't seen this before, and let's unbox it. And wow, look at this car. The Oreca Matmut cars have such a cool look to them, and this one is incredible. It looks great on the sides, on the front, but the real show is on the top. It's a chrome base with blue and red and yellow, and the way that it crisscross on the top, it just looks so amazing, almost like a diamond. I never knew that it had this design on the top because when watching the race live, you really only saw it from the front and the sides and the back. And what a blow to the team. This was the remaining Peugeot in the race, the one that could have tracked down Audi, maybe gotten a 3rd place for Oreca Matmut, but suffered an engine fire just like all the other cars and was out of the race. The drivers on this car were Olivier Panis, Nicolas Lapierre, and Loic Duval. When I laid eyes on this car for the first time and just saw how amazing the livery is, how shiny it is, it just really took my breath away. It's such a great car in the collection and I can't wait to display it. So here it is, the Oreca Matmut Peugeot, the best looking Peugeot in the lineup, better than the factory cars, and it's in my collection. If you like this video, give me a like and a follow. I've got a lot more cars to unbox and I'm uploading a new video every Friday. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.